How to log in into your Google Business profile. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to log into your Google Business profile, there are multiple ways to do so. So for the very first one, head over to your Business Profile Manager. For this, you can type in Google Business Profile, tap on the first link which is business.google.com, tap on the sign in button, log in with your Google account linked to business profile, and there you go. You can see the list of businesses that you have. Tap on the profile that you want and you're good to go. For the next method, if you log in with the Google account linked to your business profile and search for your business, you will see it listed as a manager account. From there, you can edit your profile, read the reviews, and make all the necessary changes. So these are two ways by which you can log in into your Google Business profile. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.